are you two doing? What's going on here?
You're trying to help her now that she stood up.
I think we got a dog-cat love going on here. Maybe we got cat-dog love going on. What do you think, huh? What do you say, kids? Think that crazy dog, that crazy cat's trying to love you? What do you think? Huh? I think he's trying to give you lovin's. What's up with that? What's up with you, Scooter? Scooter?